Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter granola. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 4 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter, and 1/3 cup of pure maple syrup. Also, have 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil, like coconut or vegetable oil, ready. These simple components are the foundation for delicious, homemade granola. Now let's combine everything. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1/3 cup of maple syrup, and 2 tablespoons of oil until smooth. Next, add the 4 cups of rolled oats to the wet mixture. Stir everything thoroughly with a spatula until all the oats are evenly coated. Then, spread this mixture in a single, even layer onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. It's time to bake your granola to golden perfection. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the baking sheet in the preheated oven and bake for an initial 20 minutes. After this time, carefully remove the sheet and give the granola a gentle stir to ensure even toasting. Return it to the oven and continue baking for another 10 to 15 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. The final step is crucial for achieving those perfect clusters. Once baked, remove the granola from the oven and let it cool completely on the baking sheet. Resist the urge to touch it while it's warm, as it will crisp up as it cools. Once fully cooled, break the granola into your desired cluster sizes. Store your delicious homemade peanut butter granola in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.